been a long road, man. Road's still going. Championship week, it's been 18 weeks championship week. It's how we've been building, how we've been growing. Since training camp, everything we've been building up to this point, it's how we're gonna keep going. Communication that we built, the execution that we built, everything's been about us. All the energy been about us. Since we started, how we gonna keep it going? We gotta do it together, bruh. Championship week, it's been championship preparation. Ain't nothing special about the stage except what we made it. We made this today, but how we been doing it all year. Don't change for shit. We gotta keep this going, man, everybody together. Run, talk, hit. It's been the same equation. We running, we talking, we hitting. For the first quarter, last quarter. Bring that juice, bring that confidence, man. We swinging.
And we welcome you to Everbank Stadium, a big day on the final day of the regular season, a chance to win the AFC South against your biggest rival.
Yeah, and you've already got a playoff spot locked, but winning the division, Frank, it's significant. It would only be your third division title since the AFC South was formed 24 years ago. But most importantly, the win would guarantee you at least the number 3 seed in the AFC, starting the playoffs right here at the bank.
Hey man, we got a special group right here. This is just the next step for us. Think about all the work we put in all season to have a chance to win the division today. Don't let a team come in and take that shit from us, all right? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Lean on the dude next to you. That's what it's about. It's about each other, man. Y'all make this fun. You make me want to play even harder because this group, man.
Guys, we talked about playing meaningful football at the beginning of the season, and today is very reminiscent of 1996 when Jeff and I played in a game that was of significance against the Atlanta Falcons where we had to win to get in. We had been on a heater, and for the first time, we allowed the significance of the game to impact us. The anxiety, the nerves had us playing at less than our best. My hope today is that the vibe and the energy is okay, and they continue to play like they played, because, man, this is a very talented team that's good.
Hey guys, talk about one thing: championship mindset, championship execution, championship energy, and see what the happens after 60 minutes, guys. Championship, that's our mindset. That's everything that we've done, one play at a time. That means do nothing different than our execution, our energy and physicality for 30 minutes right here. Come back in, regroup, do it again. Let's go have some fun, man. Let's go. Jacks on 3, 1, 2, 3.
Play fake. Ward keeps it on his own read, gets it to the 5-yard line, lunges toward the goal line. That's a touchdown. He lunged toward the goal line. It is going to be a touchdown.
But he's hurt.
A 7-yard touchdown run. Now he's shaken up a little bit, but the Titans strike first on a 7-yard touchdown run by quarterback Cam Ward.
Yeah, but Frank, the Cam Ward, his right arm hanging down in front like he's favoring that right shoulder or arm.
Hey, let's go, boys. Let's go. Dial in. Hey, we're good. Dial in. Let's go. Pick our shit up. Pick our shit up. Let's go. Come on, boys.
One way to continue to play well is for your quarterback, Trevor Lawrence. Man, he's been on a heater. He needs to keep it going.
Yeah, and he holds the keys to success like most quarterbacks, and he's been delivering. In the last 5 games, he's seeing it like Neo in the Matrix. He's the leader of this football team.
Trevor drops, looks.
Oh, got him.
Fires toward the goal line. That ball's going to be caught. Touchdown! A post pattern to Parker Washington. And Jacksonville in the end zone. A 23-yard touchdown pass. Come on, dog. Oh, yeah, let me
job on the throw. Hey, great job getting the guys going with the tempo. That was all settling for them, especially because they got trapped in base.
For sure.
They were trying to get nickel on, trying to get it off. It's a great job getting those guys lined up in the hole. Awesome throw.
What a throw. Trevor throws an absolute BB to Parker Washington, a post route. and Parker elevates to make a nice catch. But boy, 16 is just absolutely seeing it and is taking advantage of a Titans secondary that is not very good right now.
Trevor rolls to the right, fire. That ball's going to be caught and hung on to. He bobbled it, he got hit right after the catch. There's Brenton Strange. There's your security blanket. Play fake. Looking. Fires middle of the field. That's caught. That's Jacoby Myers.
We're done here. Who's scoring though?
Got your one sack.
Who's scoring though? Hey, watch that.
Another flag comes out of the official's pocket. That could be a personal foul and should be on Jeffrey Simmons.
Shotgun for Trevor. Dropping. Trevor looks. Fires toward the goal line. Touchdown! Brenton Strange. This was a Brenton Strange drive, and he capped it with a 7-yard touchdown. How good is that?
Great job, buddy. Great job, guys. Big
This is the Brenton Strange drive, and he's got a career-high receptions on the year. That's 44. And a touchdown to cap it off on that drive. I want to call this the Brenton Strange drive, but also the Trevor Lawrence giving it to Jeffrey Simmons drive as well, because you got to love that out of your quarterback. What attitude.
4-man rush. Allen drops the throw. And almost picked off. The Jags running it back. There's Antonio Johnson. 20, 15, 10, 5. Touchdown. Antonio Johnson with a pick six. The Jags have extended the lead. How good is that?
We got to go back out, though. All right, great job.
And how about that for a franchise record, 22nd interception on the year, and it's a house call by Antonio Johnson, who now has 5 interceptions on the year, and it all started with great coverage design, little bit of pressure up front, forces the errant throw, and Antonio capitalizes.
What a job by Anthony Campanile, this terrific defensive coordinator. First in the league in rush defense, and what a good defense overall.
Well, I get the feeling that Anthony Campanile is really dialed in that Jaguars defense now. With Brandon Allen out there on the field, he is just having that Jaguars defense contesting every catch and making plays on the ball.
Hey, that's two right there. That's 2 sides of the road right there. That's dominant. Back to back. Bang, bang.
Yeah. Shotgun, Trevor is dropping. It's a blitz. Play fake. Now he fired. Ball caught. Parker Washington broke a tackle. What else is new? 40-yard line. Reverses his field. Gets hit from behind. That'll be a first down out to the 42-yard line. Looking. Fires. That ball's caught. That's Johnny Munt, the backup tight end. He's got a catch. And he turned it upfield. Play fake. Trevor drops. Throws it out of the backfield. Caught by Quentin Morris. The tight end in the right flat. Touchdown, Jacksonville! Let's go!
Congratulations to Trevor Lawrence. That is touchdown 38 on the season for him, which is a franchise record, passing Blake Bortles from 2015. He is absolutely seeing it, and he is dominating this Titans team after that first drive.
Brandon Allen fires it deep downfield, and that ball is tipped and incomplete. Now there's 3 seconds left. The Jags have the ball at the 49-yard line. Do you run Cam Little out there?
You're darn right.
Why not?
Cam Little, send him out there right now.
He's already made an NFL best 68-yarder.
Well,
Here comes Cam Little on what will be the final play of the first half. There's the hold. There's the kick. The 67-yard field goal is good! From 67 yards to end the half. How good is that?
The era of the big leg kicker continues. His 19th consecutive make, and it happens to be the second longest in NFL history.
Cam has just set the franchise record for most points scored in a season with 135. Are you kidding me?
What a weapon that Cam Little is.
Been all Jaguars. The Jaguars scored 31 unanswered. Trevor Lawrence was spectacular. The Jags playing at a very high level, and of course, they ended the half. The final play of the half was a 67-yard field goal by Cam Little. It was absolutely spectacular.
What a year for Anthony Campanelli's defense, a guy who was from New Jersey, was Miami's linebacker coach for 4 years, was with Jeff Hafley in Green Bay last year. Now his first year as the defensive coordinator, and it's been a massive turnaround for Jacksonville.
They run it to the left with Tony Pollard, and he's going to get cut down near the line of scrimmage. Great work by Devin Lloyd. Just a screen to the left side, and the Jags read that thing. I mean, they read it. Everybody in Duval read it. It's a draw play to ETN. Good running room. Lowered his shoulder, going to have the first down. Trevor hangs in there, dropping, scrambling left, fires downfield. That ball's caught by Brian Thomas Jr. This will be a 52-yarder for Cam Little. Logan puts it down. Cam kicks it up. The 52-yard field goal is good. Jags have walked him up again. They're blitzing again. Fires left side and incomplete. I mean, Dewey came again. Andrew Wingard made him get rid of it very quickly. And the Jags take over on downs. Trevor drops the throw again. Fires deep downfield. That one's caught by Parker Washington. And folks, Trevor Lawrence has a 4,000-yard passing season, and he comes out of the game. What a year. It's his third season passing for 4,000. What a terrific season for Trevor Lawrence. Nick Mullins in the game. What a year for number 16, this fifth-year quarterback. How deserving is Trevor Lawrence? Under center is Mullins. They toss it to the right. This is Tootin in the game. To the 5, into the end zone, touchdown. Basel Tootin, a 5-yard touchdown run, and the Jags have extended the lead.
There you go. I'm back now.
The Jags are going to win the game. It'll be their 8th straight win, 4th straight home win. They've won the division title for the 5th time in team history, the 3rd time in the AFC South, the 3rd playoff appearance in the last 10 seasons. They are going to have at least one home playoff game. What an amazing season for these Jacksonville Jaguars in front of these terrific Jaguar fans who have stood by this team for the longest time, 31 years, in one of the greatest seasons in the history of the Jacksonville Jaguars.
Make no mistake, Frank. When they talked about the hats and t-shirts not mattering, all up here's a bunch of dudes asking, where the t-shirts? Where the hats at?
Oh, it matters. And Bucky is dead on. It matters.
so much, man. Love you guys so much. Seriously, hey. That felt pretty damn good, man. Hey, guys, so many people contributed to this. So many. Even today, every single skill player caught a pass today, guys. Think about that. So many records, guys, so many records. How about Cam? Guys, hey, such a great team win. Such a great team win. Man, this is a special group. This is a special group. And I'm so proud to be your coach. So proud to be here with you guys. But man, this work's just getting started now, man. This work's just getting started now, man. Guys, enjoy this moment, right? Talked about it last night. Enjoy this moment.
I got something to say, you know, Trevor, because it's fun. We appreciate you so much for everything you do. I just want you to know all of Jacksonville behind you. We know it's a meme that's kind of going viral, so we got your own video.
Great job, fellas. Hell of a year. We're just getting started. The work starts now, man. Think about how much work we put in to get here. Let's not let it go to waste, man. 1 week at a time. Love y'all. Jags on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Hey. I'm so proud of you. So proud. Keep going, man.